Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I've got from the shop. It is silicone body cleanser from Homedics. This is very effective in removing dirt and impurities from your skin. This is suitable for all skin types. This gives invigorating massage and cleans deeper. Come on, let's open and see what's inside and how it looks like. This is the beautiful silicone body cleanser. This is the USB charger, so there is no hassle to replace the batteries. Simply plug in, charge it and use it. This is the storage pouch. This also comes with the instruction manual. Now let's see how the cleanser looks like. It's designed with soft, hygienic silicone notes. It has three textured surfaces for cleaning the skin deeper. It delivers gentle and rapid sonic pulsations to remove all the dirt and impurities on your skin. It's waterproof and portable, so you can use it while you shower. It's safe to use it in water. In fact, there is no necessity to replace the brush heads. This is the socket for charging the device like this. Now let's see how this works. This is the power on button. It has 8 different intensities or levels from 1 to 8 and 2 modes. First, let's see the levels. You can actually choose any one, either slow or fast, by pressing plus or minus. Now I'm going to turn the device on and you can see the LED lights flash once. After turning it on, it operates in the first mode called regular pulsation mode. Now I am pressing the plus button to increase the intensity or the speed in the first mode. Also, you can press the minus button to decrease the speed or intensity. So, in the first mode, which is called regular pulsation mode, you can change the speed from minimum to maximum by pressing either plus or minus buttons. Now I am pressing the center power button once to move from the first mode to the second mode. Second mode is called pulse massage mode. In this mode, speed alternates continuously between level 2 and 6 and it happens automatically. In this, you no need to use the plus and minus buttons to vary the speed, because in the second mode, the speed alternates by itself. Press the power button one more time to completely turn the device off. Now I am going to show you how to lock the device by pressing and holding plus and minus buttons together only for 2 seconds. Look here, it's locked now. We can't turn on the device. Now it's time to unlock it by again pressing plus and minus buttons together and holding it for 2 seconds. Now it's turning on and working. So in this way we can make this ready for travel. And this is an interesting another feature in this. Now it's time for me to show you the demo. I'm putting this one down and I'm not going to use this because this is the new one. And I'm going to take the similar one which I'm using now and I'm going to use this one for the demo. This new one I'm planning to give this to my mom as a gift. Now I'm getting ready to show you the demo. Let's see how to use this. Now I'm going to use the silicone body cleanser on my hand. First thing is I need to dampen my skin, and remember you can use it anywhere in your body from head to toe. Now it's time to dampen the cleanser and shake off the excess water. Then apply your favorite cleanser or soap or whatever you use for your skin. I am applying my favorite body wash and I am applying it all over my hand. Just a gentle application, that's it. Now it's time to turn the device on by pressing the power on button once. Now it's in regular pulsation mode, which is our first mode, and you need to gently move this cleanser in outward circular motion only for few minutes. For changing the mode, press the power button once like this and continue your massage. Actually, I've done it for approximately 2 minutes and now it's time to rinse off the soap. Now I'm turning off the device by pressing the power button once and I'm rinsing it off. Soon you're going to see the magic. I'm washing the cleanser at the same time. Don't worry, it's very safe to put it in the water. After cleansing, lightly pat dry with a towel. Now you can see the difference between these two hands. This cleanser exfoliates dead skin cells, unclogs pores and removes dirt and oil. It also enhances the absorption of skincare products like creams and lotions. It gives glow to your skin. If you use this regularly, your skin will appear brighter and healthier. After usage, you can dry the cleanser and store it in the pouch like this. You need to charge this roughly for 2 hours before using it. Once you charge it, you can use it for 8 hours. It also has 1 year limited warranty. It sounds great, isn't it? I hope this video is useful for you to explore good products around you. Please share your comments on this product. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll talk to you all soon with another useful product. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.